everybody. We haven't done one of these videos in a long time. Just woke up. I'm gonna do it at the store real quick. So, we're gonna do it just like POV drive and talk, I guess. I may end it if I don't really have anything to say, but alright, let's get going. It's raining too a little bit. We finally got some rain. It's about time. You hear that damn intake? Sounds so good. Sounds like one of those damn semi trucks. Surprised people were walking in the rain. There was some lightning, but yeah, we got 5,477 miles. It's going good. It's absolutely flawless. We're getting the next oil change this weekend. I wanted to do it last weekend, but had other things, had other obligations to do, other commitments. So it's good stuff. Good stuff. I just woke up, so do I miss the Godzilla? No. Every now and then there's some things I miss about it. It definitely was very comfortable, but not saying that this isn't comfortable. This is definitely comfortable, but in a different way. This just feels like home, you know, so that's the important thing. Duramax Colorado.